Number 25 and 26, let's do those two together. It's very, very similar to our 6/8 that we just did a couple of exercises ago, but we're just missing a beat. And so we don't have that complex duple for this. We are just simply doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's frankly awkward. We don't really play with this too frequently, so just take your time with it. And I'm glad that she put it in here so that we have a little bit of experience, so that when we go on to play other things, we're not like completely shocked by what is 5/8. We have 5 beats in a measure, and the 8th note gets the beat. It's pretty much just that simple. And the natives chant that goes with it in number 27 is very awesome. It's a fun piece to play. So let's do number 25 and 26 together. So real quick, let's just say the notes so that we can really feel how it's supposed to go. And so it's just D, E, F, and this is going to be more of a minor. So 1, 2, ready, go. D, 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 E, 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 F, 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 D, 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 and then you do that repeat. Now, there's a whole lot of notes in a row that's just a very, it's monotone. I use my bow to count. I'm dyslexic, and so I have a hard time keeping my numbers, my letters straight. As you can tell, a lot of my speech as well. Some things will come out backwards. And so to eliminate the confusion in my head with my numbers and my letters, I will use other patterns and other things as a brain hack to help me out. So I'm going to use my bow. This is really beneficial in a lot of my other practices, and I have other tricks. If you are dyslexic as well and need help with that, let me know. So I'm doing every measure is going to alternate for this particular exercise. So I have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to be using my bow to help me count. So let's play number 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Low 2. Okay, let's take a look at number 26. We are just adding in that quarter note. Remember, a quarter note has 2/8 inside of it. Now, we can't use that same trick really because we have an even amount of bows of notes in each measure. So every measure is going to start with a down bow. But this is going to be a little bit easier to count. 1, 2, da, 5. 1, 2, da, 5. 1, 2, da, 5. 1, 2, da, 5. We're playing the same notes, so that's not going to be any tricky part, any more tricky. So 1, 2, da, 5. 1, 2, da, 5. So don't do too big of bows for that quarter note. We're going to keep everything really localized right in the center. You're just going to slow your bow down so we're not doing 1, 2, da, ba, da, 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 and then we're going to run out of space. So just keep it right in the center, really relaxed. Number 26, so let's do it with the repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3,